Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to remove noise in DaVinci Resolve. To remove noise in DaVinci Resolve, follow these steps. Open DaVinci Resolve and import your video, and go to the editing section in the bottom. Add the clip to the timeline. Drag the video clip from the media pool onto the timeline to begin editing. Go to the Fairlight page. At the bottom of the screen, click on the Fairlight tab or the sound icon to access audio editing tools. Choose the noise reduction plugin. Open the Effects library in the top left corner. Navigate to Audio FX, then Noise Reduction, and drag it onto the audio track of your clip. Adjust noise reduction settings. Here, you can fine-tune the noise reduction parameters, such as threshold sets the noise level to be removed. Ratio controls how much noise is reduced. Attack or release adjusts how quickly noise reduction applies and releases. Now, once you fine-tune the noise reduction parameters, just hit the X button. In the inspector in the right hand side, you can also make some changes on your settings just like the noise reduction parameters we did before. Enable real-time preview. Play your video and listen in real time to check how well the noise is reduced. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.